Hi guys, Del here, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Nextland FERRO-ROD and striker combo. It's a little set you can pick up off Etsy, so we'll have a look at this and see if it's any good. Thanks for watching. Please hit the subscribe and click the like if you want to see more content, and we'll crack on and see how good it is and if it's worth the money. So we'll just grab some tinder. They're great, these 511 packs, for actually folding down flat like that and accessing it and getting all your organised kit out. But let's get this out. This is my little fire kit bag. We'll get some stuff out of there and just crack on with the vid. So here we have the Nextool FERRO-ROD. Nextool is the name of the company. They're on Etsy, and like I said, I'll put a link into it if you want. This is about 15 quid. So this is how it comes. What I like about this is it comes with the lanyard, and it comes with its own striker. Now, a lot of generic strikers are just rubbish. I'll show you one actually. I'll show you what I mean. This is another kit I'll review at some point. So these are like the generic scrapers that they come. I'm really not a fan of these at all. I much prefer the carbide ones, like what you see, like Mad Dog, what Mad Dog has. His are far better. I'll show you one of Mad Dog's. That's Mad Dog's there. Absolute great bit of kit. And like I say, he puts a wee bit of lanyard and the little clip on his too. So great bit of kit. Okay. So this one comes with it itself. I really like this actually, the way it's all put together. So we just pull the bead up to loosen it and then pull out the striker. So see the carbide striker there? Actually comes with it. It's a really nice little touch. And another feature on this FERRO-ROD is it's interchangeable. Now you only see that with high-end stuff like Exotac, which are like 30 quid and stuff like that, whereas this one is 15 and it's totally interchangeable with the thread. So I really like that, the fact that you'll still have a use for it, you know, and replace this after your 3,000 strikes. So they say we'll have to do a video on that one day and see if it really is 3,000 strikes. So let's see it in action. So let's get on with this. Let's get some of the black coating off. I've done a little bit there. I did try it in another vid quickly. So we'll get some of the black coating off, and then let's get some materials. So get a jute twine. Just fluff that up a bit with my new favourite tool. I absolutely love this thing. I wish I had this in service years ago, but hey ho. So I'm just going to fluff this up a bit, break up the fibres so that we can get a spark on it. Just fluffed it up, and then let's have a look and see. So it's just getting the angle right on these. You can feel it most of the time. That lit that pretty quick. So it's just a case of fluffing those fibres up a bit more, so we get a bit more of a burn time on it. So yeah, that looked nice. We'll put that to the side in a minute, and we'll just try a bit of fire strip roll. Again, same thing. Maybe try and use the scraper to buff this up a bit. So all we're doing is just opening up some of those fibres, see? So we'll try that. There it is. So yeah, it gets the job done nicely. And be a nice burn. So that's the next tool, ferro rod with the striker. So that was the Nextland ferro rod and striker combo. I like it for £15. I like the fact that you can keep it replaceable. So you normally genuinely only see this on the like I mentioned before, the extra tax, the expensive ones. So to actually be able to do that and keep the actual combo, it makes it kind of worthwhile. When you think you normally spend £7 or £8 on like a Swiss fire steel and basically throw it away after you've used it, whereas just for that little bit extra, the striker's good on it too. So 15 quid off Etsy. I like it. Like I said, there is others out there, you've seen that. There's plenty of other different ferro rods and stuff, but I like it. So thanks for watching again, guys. I think I'm going to try and upload on a Sunday, on a Sunday night. So just to let you be aware of that, I'll maybe put a wee postcard up on the YouTube post to let you know when. But that's enough rambling for now. Have a great week ahead. Stay safe. Again, thanks for watching. Appreciate you all for staying subscribed and watching. Stay safe out there. Del out.